With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, it is given that a set of data has observations such that no two observations are equal. The median of the data is equal to 12. A number is added to this particular data and the median remains 12. We have to find out the number which was added. Now in this particular question, we are given that the total number of observation is the total number of observation is given to be equal to 12, that is even. 12, that is even. Now we have the median is equals to 12, so the median is equal to 12. Now we have the formula for the median of an even observation. Even number of observation equals to, so the formula will be equal to sum of middle two terms or middle two observations, divided by 2, that will be equal to 12, which it is given. Okay, so now we'll let these 12 observations as, we'll let these particular 12 observations, let the observations will be equal to x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9, x10, x11 and x12. These are the 12 terms or the 12 observation. Now the sum of middle two terms, that is the middle two terms, will be equal to x6 and x7, because we are left with 5 terms on the left side, 5 over here and 5 over here. So the middle term is x6 and x7. So x6 plus x7, that is sum of middle two terms divided by 2 is given to be equal to 12, that is the median. Now in the question it was also given that a number is added to this data and the median remains 12. Now a number is added, therefore now the new total observation will be equal to earlier it was 12 and one number is added, that is plus 1, so this will be equal to 13, and the median remains same. The median is equal to 12 because it is said that it remains same. And now the number of observation is odd, that is 13 is odd. Now we have the formula of an odd median. As n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. 2th observation will be equal to 12. That is, for the odd median, that is for odd number of observation, the formula of median is n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. Here n is equals to number of observation, that is given to be 13. So we'll substitute the value. This will be equal to 13 plus 1 divided by 2th observation. That comes out to be equal to 7th observation. 7th observation equals to 12. Now in this particular question, if we see that this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7th observation will somewhat come over here, and this is again now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The new observation will be equal to the 13th observation. Now if we see that the median of the 12 terms was equal to x6 plus x7 divided by 2 is equals to 12. So we can have this x6 and x7 as 11, 13. They can be also equal to 12, 12, but in the question it was written that no two observations are equal. So they can be equal to 11, 13. That is, if we add them up, 11 plus 13 divided by 2 will be equal to 24 divided by 2, that will come up by 12, and which is our median. So the terms x6 and x7 can be termed as 11, 13. That is, this x6 will be equal to 11 and this x7 will be equal to 13. So the number 12, that is the 7th observation over here, the number 12 will be somewhat over here, between 11 and 13. So the new number which was added in the observation will be equal to 12, because we have just now calculated that the 7th observation will be equal to 12, and the 7th observation will come just between these 11 and 13. So 12 will be the new number which is added to this particular observation.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.